Go.
Okay, I think you can understand the picture about. Okay, this is the picture which is related to our independence. Fine. Okay, my dear students, we can declare our today's topic, and it is Independence Day. Okay, before read out the passage, we will know some keywords from the passage. First one, diplomat. Diplomat means government representative abroad. Second one, entertain. That means amuse or interest audience. Third one, enthusiasm. That means excited or engrossing interest. Next one, fervor. A very strong feeling of excitement. Then highlight. That means emphasize something. Then illuminate. That means light up or illumine. Last one, spectacular. That means extremely good. Okay, my dear students, now I am going to read the passage. Listen carefully to understand the passage. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on this day. The day begins with a 31-gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Sabar. Then, other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. The country also witnessed a spectacular parade of defense forces, border guards, police, answers, and the BDP, that means Village Defense Party, at the National Parade Ground near the National Parliament. In Bangabandhu National Stadium, school children, scouts and girl guides take part in various displays to entertain thousands of spectators. So educational institutions also organize